Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we're also going to talk about Dollar General cash. But before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, I just want to go ahead and remind everybody that I did upload 2 videos yesterday on Saturday going over the Dollar General clearance event, which is right around the corner. So if you missed out on either one of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons, and of course go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. Now if you did a 5 off $25 deal yesterday, you should be receiving another 5 off $25 coupon on your account on Monday. So I am guessing that that is going to show up as a clipped coupon in our wallets, but as soon as I see that mine is on my account, I will make a post about it in the community tab, but just keep an eye out for that. Next up, we've got a 2 off 1 for the quilted northern bath tissue. The 8 beggar rolls are priced at $9.95, so after the coupon you're going to pay $7.95. And we do have a lower value coupon, a 1 off 1 that you guys are going to see here in just a few minutes. Next up, we've got 3 off 1 for the Downy Light Lavender In-Wash Scent Beads. I think this is the 20.1 ounce bottles. So those are priced at $12.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $9.95. Next up, we've got a 1 off 1 for the Dove Body Wash. So these are priced at $7.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. We also have a Dove DG store coupon that we can stack with this. It is a 2 off 9. And we also have a higher value Dove Body Wash coupon. It's a 2 off 1 that you guys are going to see here in just a few minutes. So I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now, just until I can figure up what all deals that we're going to do with that DG store coupon, all right? Next up, 2 off 1 for the Tide. Those are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. We have a 2 off 1 for the Bic razors. Those start out at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have 1 off 1 for the Bounce and Downy products. These start out at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have a 1 off 3 for the Beggin' Strips. Those are priced at $2.65 each, so it's still pretty pricey even with the coupon. Next up, 1 off 1 for the Tide. Those are priced at $5.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We have a new 2 off 1 for the Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $7.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. We do have a 4 off 1 for the Chic men's razors, but this is not pulling up anything in the app for me, so I will have to check in store and see what we can find. Next up, 1 off 1 for the Gain liquid laundry detergent. Those are priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. We do have a 2 off 1 for the BioFreeze products. Now, this one isn't attaching to anything in the app for me either this morning, but I think these products do start out around $6 or $6.50. Next up, 1 off 1 for the All and Snuggle products. These are on sale this week for $4.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50, and that's a really good deal, especially on the Almighty packs. I think those are normally $6.50 now, so pretty good deal there. We've got a 4 off 1 for the Chic disposable razors. So these start out at $6.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50, so a really good deal there. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Downy fabric softeners. So these are priced at $6.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.95. Next up, we've got a 150 off 1 for the Degree deodorants. So if you want to pick up the Degree solid deodorants, those are priced at $5.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.25. If you want to pick up the dry sprays, those are priced at $6.05. We have this 150 off 1 manufacturer coupon, plus we have a 1 off 1 DG store coupon. So after both of those are applied, you're going to pay $3.55. Next up, 50 cents off for the DG Health Children's Ibuprofen. Those are priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have a 1 off 1 for the Believe Beauty nail polish products. So these are priced at $1.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay just 25 cents. And this coupon is also working on the Believe Beauty nail files as well. Those are also priced at $1.50 each. Next up, 3 off 2 for the Colgate toothpaste. This coupon does work on the Max Fresh toothpaste. They're priced at $3 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2 And keep in mind, we still have that instant savings for when you spend $10 on Colgate, Palmolive, Fabuloso, Suavitel. There's a lot included. You're going to instantly save $3 at the register. So that is still going on this week as well. Next up, 1 off 2 for the Pringles. Those are priced at $2 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3 for 2. We have another $1.50 off one for the Lysol laundry sanitizer, a 4 off one for the Chic women's razors. So these start out at $7.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. Moving on down, we've got a 1 off one for the Glade aerosol air fresheners. So this isn't attaching to anything in the app, so we're definitely gonna have to scan it in the store to see if it will work, but these are normally priced at $1 each. So if that works, that could be a freebie for us. So definitely go ahead and clip that one. We have a $1.50 off one for the Advil. If you want to pick up the 24 count, they're priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Next up, we have buy one, get one half off for the Root to End hair care products. So these are priced at $5 each. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50 for 2. Then we have a 2 off one for the Shea Moisture. This does work on the soaps. Those are priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have a 1 off 2 for the Revlon hair color products. So those are priced at $4. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7 for 2. And we have a new 1 off one for our Gain laundry products. Those are priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. Then we have a 1 off one for the Edge and Skintimate shave gels. Now this is one that kind of shocked me. They have went up in price. They are now priced at $3.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.65. And next up, we have that 2 off one for the Dove body wash products. Now, this coupon does work on the smaller bottles, the 11 or 12 ounce bottles. They're priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. But again, keep in mind, we do still have that 2 off 9 DG store coupon on Dove products, so I'm sure we can come up with some really good deals with that coupon as well. Next up, 50 cents off one for the True Living paper towels. These are priced at $5, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. And there is that lower value 1 off one Quilted Northern coupon, and I'm going to pass on clipping that one because we do have that higher value 2 off one. Alright guys, now next up, here's a few coupons that showed up on my account yesterday, and I had already clipped them to my account. So first, we've got this 4 off one for the Dove Body Love products. So if you want to pick up the lotions, those are priced at $6.40. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Then we have a 3 off one for the Dove Body Polish. Now this one doesn't attach to anything in the app, so we'll just have to see if we can find something in the store and scan it. But again, don't forget that we have that 2 off 9 Dove DG store coupon, so we should have some really good deals with these coupons. Alright, next up, we've got a 2 off one for the Carousel products. These start out at $4.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. And then we have a 1 off one for the OGX hair care products. Those are priced at $7.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $6.50. And then we also have a 75-cent off one for the Jif peanut butter. These start out at $2.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Alright, now before I let y'all go, we have to talk about Dollar General cash. So some of you all may have noticed that this is something new that popped up over the last few days. Dollar General did another update with the DG app, and when you click on your wallet now, this is what shows up. So it says DG Cash available to spend. Of course, I'm at a zero balance. It says how to use DG Cash and then your saved deals. So once you update it and you see this screen right here, you're going to have to click on your saved deals in order to get to your coupons. Now, if you click on how to use DG Cash, it says, when you have received or earned DG Cash, your balance will appear here. Redeem your earned cash in store by scanning the code in your wallet. You can tell the cashier the amount. So honestly guys, this is totally new to me. I'm not sure what is going on with it. I'm not sure if they're going to try to be like Walgreens with Walgreens cash, or if this is just going to be like a replacement for Dollar General gift cards. Not quite sure what's going on with it. I did ask a few employees yesterday, and I did message a couple of managers, but so far nobody has heard anything about it. But overall, I think this is some pretty exciting news, and we will just have to wait and see what happens. Hopefully they'll give us some more information over the next couple of weeks, but I'm thinking, hey, if Dollar General wants to kind of roll out some deals like Walgreens with their Walgreens cash, but it be with DG Cash, I'm all in. But you guys, let me know what you all think about it down in the comment section below. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but you guys make sure that you stay tuned because I will be uploading a second video later on today with our new Dollar General clearance markdowns and penny list. And trust me when I say this is going to be a fantastic week for clearance and penny shopping. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.